Hello everyone, my name is Sejal and I was a part of the Vita 4 batch at Anesthesis Academy. So, when I had first decided to start preparing for CAT, I was incredibly hesitant. Having been away from maths for 5 long years during my law school, I had convinced myself that cons and DILR would be the end of me. It felt impossible to me when I was just starting, and the idea of tackling these technical subjects filled me with so much apprehension and doubts. But then I came across Anesthesis Academy and Shankar sir, suggested by a friend. I would rather say insisted to me by a friend. So, what felt like a gamble to me back when I was just enrolling for this course with Anesthesis Academy turned out to be hands down one of the best and like a life changing decision for me in this journey. So being a rookie at almost both the sections other than VRC, Shankar sir's approach was exactly what I needed and much more. His teaching pedagogy was straightforward and focused. And what truly set him apart was the focus, the emphasis he paid on absolute basics for every topic he taught, ensuring that students like me who needed absolute clarity and confidence to even begin with could build a solid foundation and confidence in the topics we were being taught. So, certain just teach a topic, he made sure we understood that topic thoroughly. So, at no single point in my journey, I felt like I had to resort to mugging up any concept, and that was a game changer for me. So, sir, sir, sir essentially explained the logic and reasoning behind every topic so well that we were able to grasp that concept for like a really long time. And step by step, he would ensure that he would patiently actually guide us through every topic that he was teaching, from the simplest fundamentals of a topic to, I think, the most complex problems that could exist in that area. So it wasn't just about delivering, a certain lecture. It was the level of personal attention that as students we were able to make use of, that made all the difference for me at least. So where most of the institutes did not even have an option of live interactions, Shankar sir insisted, he encouraged us to unmute and engage in this discussions with him in lectures, and no matter how long it would take, sir would ensure that none of our doubts go unclarified once we unmute and discuss that with him. And again, for someone like me, my quant skills were so rusted, I needed clarity to even like start the most basic topic, and I often needed topics to be explained multiple times to fully understand them. And sir would never, shy away from doing that. He would ensure that he re-explained the concept so many times, sometimes even 4 5 times, until I truly understood it. And that kind of attention for me was rare. It was a game changer for my entire learning process. And the best part is, Sir's course was designed in such a way that it was like an end to end solution for my CAT prep. I did not have to resort to any other material or any other sources. From really high quality class sheets to, you know, revision material, practice sets, there was like a plethora of material, so much that even completing 50% of the material Sir gives would be like a mini victory for me. And and what's funny is, prior to enrolling with Anesthesis Academy, I had attended countless trial classes at other institutes, always trying to find like the right fit for me. But with Shankar sir, there was no trial class. Yet I knew this is where I belonged. I Looking back, I can so confidently say that it was the best decision I've made in my journey. And what makes Sir's approach even more remarkable is how it goes beyond academics. So at Anesthesis Academy, I feel like it's not just about clearing an exam. Like that was never Sir's agenda to start with. Like he'll teach you how to build a disciplined lifestyle, a disciplined habit, a mindset that prepares you for life. I feel like his emphasis on consistency, focus, time management, it just didn't help me for CAT, like just not for the exam, but it taught me how to cultivate a disciplined life in every aspect actually. So that was a very valuable lesson I took away under Sir's mentorship. And about the course, I think the course was a complete package for me. It did not only offer me academic wisdom and knowledge, but also career guidance. I would say a lot of life lessons. And I can just recall there were several moments when my motivation would hit rock bottom during the prep. And I would just discuss with sir about how my scores were low, or how I'm having doubts about my capabilities, or wondering if I was even capable of reaching my goals. And every single time, sir would become a friend more than a teacher. His words would not just reassure me, they would inspire me. Like he always encouraged each one of us to push harder. There was no limit to that. And he gave me that belief that I could do much better. And I did it. So was not just a teacher for us. He was not just a mentor. He was a friend, one we needed in times we felt dejected in our prep journey. Anesthesis Academy for me isn't just a coaching institute. It's a place that where I found direction, which built confidence in me, and where I was taught that success is as much about discipline and perseverance. So I am deeply, deeply grateful to Shankar sir for not only helping me prepare for this exam only. I don't know, but to anyone who is watching this, I can't emphasize enough how much this academy and how much sir's guidance has meant to me. A chance to be mentored by Shankar sir should not be missed. That's all I want to say. I mean, it will be life changing and transformative for the least. And trust me, you will not find a better teacher.